In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Albania e-visa step-by-step 2026 tourist visa, full information and updates. We're going to walk through the beginning of the Albania visa application process in a simple and clear way, so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, go to the official Albania e-visa portal and open the registration page. This is where you'll begin the process, whether you are creating a new account or preparing to submit an application. Once you arrive on the site, take a moment to read the section called Important Information Before Application. This part is very important because it usually explains eligibility requirements and useful instructions that can help you avoid mistakes later. Don't skip it, especially if this is your first time applying. Next, review the document upload guidelines carefully. The platform provides instructions on how your files should be prepared before you upload them. Pay close attention to things like file quality, format, and readability. If your documents are blurry, incomplete, or uploaded in the wrong format, your application could be delayed. After that, scroll down until you see the section where you can select the desired visa type. This is where the system shows the available categories. You may see options such as electronic visa and stamped visa. Make sure you choose the option that matches your travel purpose and the instructions shown on the portal. You'll also notice several visa classifications, including Visa Type A, Visa Type C, Visa Type D, and Visa at the border. For a tourist trip, you should carefully browse the available visa type options and read the descriptions shown on the website. This step matters because selecting the correct category helps ensure your application is processed properly. Once you have reviewed the available categories and found the correct visa type, continue browsing until you confirm the one you need, then click on Apply to move forward. This will take you to the next part of the process. At this stage, the system will ask you to sign in to your account. If you already have an account on the Albania e-visa portal, enter your login details and continue. If you are a new user, choose the Register option and create your account first. Make sure the information you enter is accurate and matches your official travel documents. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to prepare your documents in advance and double-check everything before submitting anything on the portal. That can save you time and reduce the chance of errors. Follow each screen carefully, and you'll be ready to continue with your Albania tourist visa application.